Hello guys, most welcome to our project. I want to take you through the sneak peek of what we've been doing for the past 2 months. This is Keith Interiors Kenya Limited, one of the best interior design firms in the 254. This is an apartment kind of a project. It was an old house and we had to rip off everything and remodel it afresh. The procedure was actually, first of all, it is a site visit, then we did the designs, presented to the clients, they approved the designs, and then we went ahead with different subcontractors to execute the project. This project specifically entailed the floorings, the ceilings, lightings, wall paints, doors, the kitchen, the bathrooms, and each and every entity. Basically, it's a complete rip-off and a remodeling of the entire house.